The topic we're going to discuss today is to convert an octal number into a decimal number, which is very similar to converting a binary to a decimal. For example, let us take any octal number. So here I've taken an example as 735. We indicate that it's an octal number by writing the base of it, which is equal to 8, since the base of octal is equal to 8. Now the question arrives, how do we convert this into a decimal number? I would recommend you to draw a table for this case. So in that table, since the question has 3 digits, so we are gonna draw 3 columns, and then we're gonna write 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1 and 8 to the power 2, and we write their values just below, which is equal to 1, 8 and 64. So this is basically the positional weightage, and we write the question below the positional weightage each carries, and then what we do is we just multiply the positional weightage with the question itself. So it's 1 into 5 plus 3 into 8 plus 7 into 64. So when we sum it up, this is what our answer is going to be in decimal. So it's 5 plus 24 plus 448, which is equal to 477. So 735 to the base 8 is equal to 477 decimal. Thank you.